Hello students, in my previous video I had started with chapter number 2, that is number system. In this previous video I have covered up with few topics. I'll just recall those topics what I have covered, that is introduction to number system, introduction to binary numbers, binary representation. I have given you the definition of bit, byte and nibble in this. Again I have explained you number system topic, where your number system was divided into two types, that is positional number system and non-positional number system. Non-positional number system was used during earlier days, and it was used in such a way that the people were using sticks and stones to count the things, whereas in positional number system people are using digits which consist of different weightage in that values. I have even explained you all positional number system had several types. I have explained you all decimal number system. Okay, decimal number system, by the term decimal it can be understood that it consists of 10 digits starting from 0 to 9. Okay, and the base of decimal number system is always 10. Okay, the base of decimal number system is always 10, and the position of the numbers always start from the right hand side. From the right hand side. Till here I have covered you in your earlier videos. In this video I am going to explain you binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, okay, and few conversions. Okay, so let us start from binary number system. By the name, by the term binary, we can understand this number system uses only two digits, that is 0 and 1. 0 and 1, and automatically you can understand that the base of this number system will be 2. Yes, in your decimal number system it consisted the digits 0 to 9, that is total together 10. So automatically you could understand that the base of the number system of decimal was 10, and the base of binary will be 2, because it is consisting only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Okay. The same way what I have told, the numbers, the position of the numbers will be always counted from the right hand side, and it will start from 0. Yes, the same thing has been written over here. This number system has only two digits, that is 0 and 1, and has a base of 2. Here the right position is referred to as 2 to the raise of 0, and the second position is referred to as 2 to the raise of 1. Okay, and goes on. Okay, just look into, did you know, if the last digit of a binary number is 1, if the last digit of the binary number is 1, the number is odd, and if the last digit is 0, then the number is even. Just see, can you see a binary number over here? Okay, the last digit of a binary number is 1. If it was 1, that means the whole number could be odd. But now here it has been represented that the last number of the binary number is 0. That means the whole number is even. Clear? Yes. Next comes octal number system. Okay. Octal, by the term octal you can understand that it contains 8 digits. It contains 8 digit. By the term binary you can understand it contains 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. By the term decimal you can understand it contains 10 digits starting from 0 to 9. Okay. So, octal number system contains 8 digits. Okay. It contains 8 digits from 0 to 7. Here it is printing mistake, it should be 7. Okay, it should be from 0 to 7. Just count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, total digits are 8, but it ranges from 0 to 7. Just in your decimal also, the total number of numbers is 10, but it ranges from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 is counted. So, total number of numbers is 10 and digits are 10, but it ranges from 0 to 9. The similar way in your octal number system also, total number of digits we are using over here is 8 and the ranging is actually from 0 to 7. Here there is a printing mistake. In your textbook also it may be a printing mistake. Please change it to 0 to 7. Okay. So, the octal number system contains 8 digits from 0 to 7 and therefore has base 8. Octal means 8 digits, base 8. Okay. And therefore, it has base 8, which implies every position in this system represents the power of base 8. Base is 8 and compared to the binary number, as compared to the binary number system which had the base 2. Clear? The rightmost position is referred to as 8 to the raise of 0 and the second position is referred to as 8 to the raise of 1 and so on. Is that clear to all? Yes, once again I will repeat. Octal number system contains of 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7, 0 to 7. Here there is a printing mistake written as 8, in this chart also it is, they have added 8 but you do not have 8 over here. Okay. Total number of octal number system consists only 8 digits starting from 0 to 7. You do not have 8. Okay, if you count you can understand that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you do not have 8 digit presented. If you have 8 digit means it will be together 9 numbers. But you do not want to work with 9 numbers, you want to work with only 8 numbers. Okay, 0 to 7 and therefore therefore it has a base 8. Okay, and similarly it works as that of your decimal number and binary number. Clear? Everyone understood with the octal number system? Next, hexadecimal number system. By the term hexadecimal number system, you can understand that it contains 16 symbols. Okay, you will say it as it contains 16 symbols. Why 16 symbols, ma'am has seen? Till now in binary you had told we had discussed with digits, decimal again digits, octal again digits. Now in hexadecimal we are saying as symbols. Why symbols? Just look into. This number system contains 16 symbols or digits from 0 to 9 and capital alphabet A to F. Understanding? This hexadecimal number system contains 16 digits from 0 to 9 and capital letter alphabets A to F. The first 10 digits of this number are represented just like a 10 digits of decimal number, that is starting from 0 and ending at 9, and the rest of the digits, that is from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are represented with the alphabets A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, the rest of the digits from 11 to 15 are represented by the alphabets A, B, C, D, E and F. This number system has the base 16, remember. This number system has the base 16. In the same way, the rightmost position is referred to as 16 to the raise of 0 and secondmost position is referred to 16 to the raise of 1 and so on. Is that clear? The only difference over here is it consists of symbols. Why symbols we are saying? It is a combination of numbers as well as alphabets. It consists the numbers of decimal number system as well as alphabets starting from the number 11 to 15. Is that clear? So 11 number represents A letter, 12 number represents B, 13 C, 14 D. Yes, again there is a small mistake in this printing, just look into, okay, just look into in this line. Rest of the digits from 11 to 15 are represented. Actually it is not 11, it is 10. 10 to 15 are represented by the alphabets A to F, wherein which 10 represents the letter A, 11 represents the letter B, 12 represents the letter C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. Clear? It is not starting from 11 but it is starting from 10. Okay. As you complete with your 0 to 9, after that it starts from 10 to 15. Okay. It starts from 10 to 15. Cleared over here? Once again I will repeat. Hexadecimal number system consists of 16 symbols. It is a combination of digits and alphabets. Okay. Digits it consists of the decimal number system starting from 0 to 9. After that from 10, again I am saying it is 10, from 10 to 15, not 11. From 10 to 15, it is represented by the alphabets A to F. Is that clear to all? Yes? Next, just see over here. In this way it is represented from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 decimal numbers, and then A, B, C, D, E and F alphabets. The whole combination is your hexadecimal number system. Okay. After 9, the number for the alphabet is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Cleared? You see the number system format over here. System binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Binary always from the least position we will start with. Binary contains of numbers, digits 2, base 2, octal base 8, decimal base 10, hexadecimal base 16, and the digits in that for binary you only take 0 and 1, only 2 numbers. Octal we take from 0 to 7, I told you, right, from 0 to 7, 8 numbers. For decimal we take 10 numbers from 0 to 9, and for hexadecimal we take 16 numbers, that is from 0 to 9 numbers, and after that followed by alphabets A to F. Okay, wherein which A will represent 10 number, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. Clear? Any doubt till here? Okay. So I'll just stop till here. Conversion I will explain you in my next lecture, so that it's easy for you to understand. Okay, I expect that all have understood the topic from binary. I have explained you binary in this video, octal in this video, hexadecimal in this video. Okay, till the next video. Thank you. I'll continue with my conversion part. Thank you.